Welcome to the world of absolute luxury. Today, we introduce the Rolls-Royce Phantom 2025, the pinnacle of automotive craftsmanship. More than just a car, it's a statement of timeless elegance, engineering excellence, and bespoke sophistication that only Rolls-Royce can deliver. The 2025 Phantom carries forward the brand's rich legacy with subtle yet powerful updates. It retains its commanding presence with a long wheelbase, signature Pantheon grille. Under the hood is a 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine. What truly sets the Phantom apart is its unmatched ride quality, thanks to the flag-bearer suspension system. Cameras scan the road surface ahead and adjust the air suspension proactively, absorbing every bump before you feel it. From the driver's seat or the rear, Rolls-Royce has added new bespoke Starlight headliner designs for 2025, with animated shooting stars and custom constellations. It's a night sky, made personal. Inside your car, a signature luxury feature exclusive to Rolls-Royce. The dashboard features the gallery. The new digital instrument cluster blends cutting-edge technology with classic analog inspiration. Clean, intuitive, and fully configurable, it delivers navigation, vehicle status, and entertainment controls without disturbing the Phantom's minimalist aesthetic. The suicide rear doors open wide and close at the push of a button. Rolls-Royce has improved the door's soft-close mechanisms, ensuring a whisper-quiet seal every time, with zero physical effort needed from the occupants. Interior air quality is maintained by a new microenvironment. The infotainment system includes a hidden central touchscreen that reveals itself on command. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, but in true Rolls fashion, every screen can disappear when not in use for a cleaner look. A premium 18-speaker bespoke audio system is hand-tuned to the Rolls-Royce engineers have enhanced the NVH, noise, vibration, harshness characteristics even further. With over 100 kilograms of sound-deadening material, triple-sealed doors, and double-glazed windows, the cabin remains utterly silent even at highway speeds. Let's talk about ownership. Rolls-Royce provides a white-glove delivery experience, where your Phantom is hand-delivered to your location by a personal liaison, who introduces every feature in detail, ensuring a first-class welcome into the Rolls-Royce family. Each owner is assigned a bespoke designer and liaison to work one-on-one for customization. Rolls-Royce now offers new exterior finishes for 2025, including Tempest Gray, Arctic White Pearl, and Emerald Black. Each paint is applied in multiple layers by hand, with options for two-tone custom palettes. The spirit of ecstasy on the hood remains a timeless icon.